children, how are you all? Hope you all are having good care of yourselves. So today I am here to telling you an interesting story. A story about a farmer and his 3 lazy sons. So shall we start? Okay, let's go. In a village, there lived a hard-working farmer named Rajesh. He had 3 sons, Karan, Arjun and Yash. 3 of them were strong and healthy, but they were very lazy. Rajesh was sad thinking about his sons and future of his farm. One day Rajesh got an idea. He called his sons and said, "I have a hidden treasure in our farm. If you all can search it, it will be all yours." The 3 sons were joyed, and next day they went to the field and started searching. Karan started searching from one end. Arjun searched from another end, and Yash did so from the center. They dug each and every inches of the field, but they could not find anything. Then Rajesh came and said, "Now, dear boys, you have tools and conditions of the field. Why not we sow the crops?" The 3 sons were agreed. They began to sow the crops. Days passed. Soon the crops grew lushly green. Rajesh and his 3 sons were very delighted. And Rajesh said, "This is the real treasure that I wanted to have." That day onward, Karan, Arjun and Yash were started working hard and were never be lazy. So dear friends, do you know what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is fruits of hard work are always sweet. So dear children, have you enjoyed today's story sessions? I hope you all have enjoyed it. So till then, have a good day. Bye bye.